Everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we embark on our journeys into the realm of homeopathy and natural healing. So, today, I'm very thrilled to share with you a remarkable success story, a case of primary hypothyroidism, which was cured through the transformative powers of homeopathic medicines. So, join me as we delve into this journey of restoration and renewed vitality. So, watch this video till end for more knowledge and stay connected with us for more informative videos like this. So first of all, it's very important for all of us to understand what exactly is the meaning of primary hypothyroidism. So primary hypothyroidism occurs when the thyroid gland fails to produce an adequate amount of thyroid hormone, which is leading to various symptoms such as fatigue, weight gain, and sluggishness. Let's talk about the cured case of primary hypothyroidism with the help of homeopathic medicines. So on the screen, you can see this is the preliminary data of the patient. So let's talk about this case. So on 30th of August 2023, a 48 years old female came to me with the present complaint. So she was having dry skin and puffy face, weight gain. She was also having hoarse voice, tiredness, and she was having emotional breakdown, and her main issue was thyroid issue. So she was suffering from hypothyroidism since 8 months. These were the presenting complaints of the patient. Next, we'll talk about the mental general, so you can say mind symptoms. So let's talk about them. So patient was having 4 second feeling. She was very much toward the spirituality and she feels as if no one understands her, and she was having special connection with the God, and she feels strongly connected with the God. She always remained lost in her own thoughts. And she was not healed from the previous incidences. She was having religious mania, and she has aggravation from sexual excitement, aggravation from overthinking also, and she was having nymphomania. So these were the mind symptoms. Next, we'll talk about the generalities. So the patient was having aggravation from eating hot food, and she was obese, and her weight was 65 kg. Her appetite and urine was absolutely normal, and her sleep was also normal. If we talk about the perspiration, so it was scanty, and her blood pressure was also normal. Next, we talk about the menstrual history. So, if we talk about the menstrual history, there was no as such problem in her menstrual cycle. Okay, her in fact her menses was her menses were absolutely normal. They were 5 days with red blood. She was not having any pains like severe pain like dysmenorrhea, any discomfort, nausea, vomiting. So this was not present. Her periods was absolutely normal, but one complaint, she told me that she was having vertigo during menses, and she was also having nymphomania during menses. So these were the menstrual complaints of the patient. Next, as you can see here on the screen, this is a report of the patient. This is basically a thyroid function test report. So, this is the report which was shown by the patient to me when she came to me on 30th of August 2023. So, in this report, you can see here very clearly thyroid stimulating hormone, its value is 5.52, means it is higher. Can we can see here very clearly the patient is suffering from primary hypothyroidism. Okay, so this was the report when patient came to me. Now after taking her case, we did the repertorization, and these were the rubrics which we have taken for this case in order to select a simillimum of this case, or the medicine you can say. So rubrics which we have taken were mind delusion religious, mind insanity religious, mind for second feeling, mind ailment from sexual excitement, mind nymphomania, and menses during. So these were the 6 rubrics which we have taken. Now next you can see here, this is the homeopathic software Radar 10.0 which we have used for repertorizing this case. So basically we have used synthesis repertory. Now on the screen you can see here 5 medicines which came after repertorization, that is platina, calibrome, beretrum album, hyoscyamus, and calcarea car. So after the repertorization of the case and finding the rubrics, so the choice of the remedy, so the best medicine for the patient was selected. That was Platina 1M. So this was the main medicine, or you can say the constitutional medicine of the patient. We prescribe Platina 1M in 3 doses at an interval of 2 hours for approximately 1 month. And along with this, we have also prescribed Thyroidinum 6x, 4 tablets, and 2 times a day. But Thyroidinum 6x was only prescribed for 15 days, and her main medicine was Platina. So this was the choice of the remedy. Now, next on the screen, you can see after taking homeopathic medicine for the 3 month, you can see here very clearly on this report, her thyroid stimulating hormone is absolutely normal. Okay. And you can see here very clearly her reports are absolutely normal and there is no thyroid problem. And she's not having any primary hypothyroidism at all. And she was absolutely fine and the patient was very happy with the result. So this is the miracle of homeopathic medicines within 3 months. Now, next on the screen, you can see the follow up of the patient. Okay, you can see here this follow up. That's all. In conclusion, I want to say that this case exemplifies the potential of homeopathy in addressing the root cause of primary hypothyroidism by understanding the individual's unique symptoms and prescribing a tailored remedy, that is the homeopathic medicine. So homeopathy aims to stimulate the body's innate healing capacities. If you find this video, so if you find this success story inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more insights into the realm of homeopathy and natural healing. So thank you for joining me on this journey of restoration and well-being. Until next time, may your path to health be filled with holistic harmony and vitality. So take care. See you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. And if you are suffering from thyroid problems or thyroid issues, hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, or Graves' disease, or any other kind of illness or disease, so you can contact us for online appointments. On the screen, you can see how to contact us. So that's it for now, and thank you so much for watching this video.